today's video, I'm sharing with you my top Amazon favorites you're not gonna wanna miss. One of the newer items that I've picked up for my kitchen that I absolutely love is my dish drying mat. Now, I used to use fabric dish drying mats and I switched over to this stone one, and I have to say I absolutely love it. Now, the difference between the stone one is first it comes in this marble stone, so it looks really pretty sitting out on my countertop. It's also made from a diatomite stone, which helps to absorb liquid faster. So when you put something on there that's wet after you washed it, the liquid's gonna dry up a lot faster. So love this. So if you're looking for something that looks nice but also works really well to sit out as a dish drying mat, try this one. In December, I showed you guys one of my new favorite bags. It was a Lululemon belt bag dupe, and it's in this really cool like Sherpa material. Well, the one I showed you before was an ivory color, but I recently picked up the beige one and I love it just as much. Now, I've had several people tell me they actually prefer this bag to the Lululemon one because it has this really pretty gold strap to it on the buckle and the zipper. It's just a great bag and it's super affordable. So if you haven't tried one of these belt bags, if you click on the link down in the description box, there's so many different colors and varieties to choose from. Now, when I heard this was the #1 bestseller on Amazon for pet hair removal, I had to try it out, and I have to say it works really well. So if you have problems with getting pet hair on your furniture or on your rugs or really anywhere around your house with upholstery, you take this and you just run it along your upholstery, and then it'll collect all the hair and dirt or anything in this little container back here. You just press this little button and it opens up, and then you can just put anything that's collected into the trash. So I love that it doesn't have any sticky things, any disposable things, anything I'm gonna have to replace. It's not battery operated. It's just really easy to use. So in the description box of my YouTube video, you guys, I list all of the products, but underneath the products, I have a link that says shop on my Amazon. And that link takes you to my Amazon storefront. On my Amazon storefront, these are like all the products I recommend. You can look in my idea list. So maybe there's a specific DIY supply you're looking for. It'll probably be there, or a certain fashion item you can find there. I also put together outfit combos so you can see all the different outfits I'm wearing. So if you're ever wondering where anything is, click on that link that takes you to my Amazon. Let's talk about my outfit. I feel like lately I've been wearing a lot of blazers, and I love this one because it's a little bit more dressy with this poof sleeve on the top. It's kind of a really light color and it looks great thrown over a bodysuit or some leggings. So let's talk about my bodysuit. I've showed you guys my bodysuit before. This is a black bodysuit. It's tank style. I love that it comes up high, and I wear this with so many outfits. All of my button-ups, all of my blazers, any kind of cardigan I have, I just wear this underneath. So if you've never tried a bodysuit, give this one a try. It's really comfortable. These leggings I've worn so much under sweaters. I've also worn them under my blazers. They kind of have that look of a faux leather, but they just have a sheen to them that makes them a little bit shiny, but they're so cute, so comfortable. I really feel like I'm wearing pajamas, and they're really affordable on Amazon. I would say one of my favorite finds over the winter have been slip-on boots. These are so much more comfortable than boots that come with zippers. I have them in a bunch of different colors, but I found these black ones on Amazon. They have the perfect amount of rise to them with the heel. They're really comfortable, and I'm able to wear them all day. Now, my purse is a designer dupe, but I feel like it's really unique and adorable, and it's really affordable. It's got this woven pattern to it. Now, I have the one in black, but you can also get it in a bunch of different colors. One of my favorite details is the triangle shape on the strap. I just think it's really pretty. It's perfect with sweaters or any kind of dressy outfit. Back in January, I picked up these knot earrings off of Amazon, and they are just so pretty. I've been wearing them so much. They're a little bit different than my typical hoop earrings. Anytime I wear them, I get a lot of compliments on them as well. So if you're looking for a little bit of a unique earring, I definitely recommend these. If you spend more than $15 on your sunglasses, I want you to consider looking at some of the options off of Amazon. They have so many cute pairs, and most of them are priced under that $15 price point. I have found so many different cute varieties, and I love these ones that go great with this outfit. This cup is the Stanley dupe. It looks exactly like it, almost the exact same function, but it's much more affordable. This Hydra Peak water bottle is awesome. It has the handle. It comes in a variety of colors. I have this like kind of minty blue color. And then it has straws. The lid's really nice. You can use it like 3 different ways. You can have the straw that comes out. You have the straw that's fixed in there. And then you could also put hot liquid in here and close it as well. So this is a great option if you need an affordable water bottle. This is one of my favorite products to show on my Amazon live streams. And if you guys don't know, I live stream on Amazon. I'll put a link down below if you want to click on it and follow me. I stream 2 times a week showing you like affordable Amazon products. So it's a fun thing to check out. It's a little bit different than the majority of my DIY content here on YouTube, but this is a product I love to show all the time. These are by the brand Flathead, and they're a set of silicone straws. Now, what I like about them is 1, they're really affordable. 2, they're smaller. So they're not those big silicone straws. They have like the bend to them. They come in fun colors. They wash up really nicely. You can put them in the dishwasher, and they're just a great set to have. So if you are looking for more reusable products this year, this is one that I love. Now, you guys know how much I love the Hanalei skincare brand. I have their lip treatment that I have in probably like 3 different places in my home, and I put it on all the time. So I wanted to try some other products from them. So I picked up their powder cleanser. I have never tried a powder cleanser, and I was really skeptical. So what you do is you put this powder in your hand and you mix it with a little bit of water, and then you just scrub your face like you normally would. And I have to tell you, this gets my face so clean. I love wearing it when I have like a full face of makeup on from filming, but it just takes all of that makeup off. I feel like my face is so clean. So if you've never tried a powder cleanser, I definitely recommend it, and I love this one. Any of the products that I'm showing you guys today, I'm gonna link them for you down in the description box. So to get to the description box, there's an arrow over here. You wanna click that arrow, and then a drop-down menu will show up. You can click on any of the products I have listed below, and it'll take you directly to Amazon. I actually got the idea for the Angry Mama from one of you guys, our followers. You suggested that I pick this up because it's a really cool microwave cleaner, and I have to say it is, and you should try it out too. So what you do is you just take off the Angry Mama's hair and you take off her face, and then you fill up the base of her with vinegar, and then you fill it up the rest of the way with water. Then you put her face back on and the hair, and the top of her hair has these holes in it that are going to create steam in your microwave. So you put it in the middle of your microwave and set it to 7 minutes and let the microwave go. What it does is after 7 minutes, it's going to loosen up anything that's on the walls or the base of your microwave. Then you can go in with a microfiber cloth and just clear that out. It's a really easy way to clean your microwave. We also found a product called the Cool Mama, which is basically an item you could put in your fridge to help deodorize. So what you're gonna do, same way as if you're doing the Angry Mama, you're just going to take her hair off, and then you're going to fill up the base of her dress with baking soda, and then you can put it back on and then put this in your fridge. It'll help deodorize your fridge. There are so many cool lighting options available, and I feel like every year I find new ones. So when I was doing a little mini makeover on my closet, I found these next lights, and I have to show you guys. They are called motion sensor puck lights. So what you're going to do is you're going to put batteries in them, and then you can put them anywhere in your house where you want to have lights come on just by motion. I thought these lights would be great to have in my closet. So anytime I walk into my closet and it's dark, they automatically turn on. I don't have to worry about flipping on and off a light. If you're needing some motion sensor lights, these are definitely a great one to have. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Amazon. Let's be honest, most days I love to be casual and wear something really comfortable. So this next outfit is definitely a comfortable outfit. First item I found on Amazon was this New York sweatshirt. It's a basic sweatshirt, but it says New York across the chest. It's really pretty in this gray color. I bought mine in a medium. If you wanted it to be oversized, you could definitely size up. We all need a basic go-to sweatpant. I do love these Under Armour sweatpants. Now I bought them in a large. I think I could have bought a medium, but I like kind of having that oversized feel. I just feel like it's a little bit more comfy. I typically love wearing gold jewelry, but I found these silver earrings and the quality of them was amazing. I couldn't believe the price on these. They are about a 1-inch thick silver earring. If you're in the market for one, this is a great buy on Amazon. I also love the back closures on them because they're already attached to the earring, so I'm not gonna lose them. Now for my shoes, I have these really basic Nike shoes, but honestly, I wear these all the time. They're perfect like everyday shoes to wear out of the house, running errands, and I always get compliments on them. Now, if you're going to wear these low-rise style shoes, you need a no-show sock, and I have found some on Amazon that I absolutely love. They come in a pack of 6 and they actually stay up on your feet. It's kind of amazing. They have this lining in them that's a gel trim that helps to hold them on your foot even when you're wearing low-rise tennis shoes. So when I wear these socks, they do not fall down. So if you're needing some no-show socks, try these out. To go with my outfit, I have some black and white sunglasses that I'm going to wear. They're really cute and neutral and go with so many different outfits. I love finding eco-friendly, affordable options on Amazon, and this candle lighter is definitely one of them. So if you are tired of replacing lighters year after year, you want to get one of these USB lighters. So what you do is you use this charger, it's a USB charger, to charge it up. Once it has the charge in it, you can simply turn it on and you can light different things like candles, barbecues, fireworks, really anything you need to light. And then when it runs out of charge, which the charge lasts quite a while, you just recharge it and you can use it over and over again, so you don't have to replace the lighters. These also make great gifts. In these Amazon favorites videos, I always have to show you guys my bag of the moment, the bag that I've been using for like all month or couple months. And since I got this bag, I pretty much have been using it. This is a black belt bag and I just wear it like this over whatever outfit I have on. It does come in other colors, but I love this color. Black just kind of goes with anything. It's got a really pretty quilted pattern on it and a really nice gold zipper. So if you need a belt bag, these are great, especially this time of year when we're wearing coats. It just fits nicely on your outfit and then you can put your coat over the top. This product last year went viral and I have to say I use it frequently. It's the Rubbermaid Power Scrubber. This scrubber you want to use whenever you have those really hard to do jobs. Maybe you need to clean your grout. Maybe you need to clean your kitchen cabinets. Maybe you have tough stains that are in your fridge. It comes with 2 different scrubber heads to it. You can use it with any cleaner. When you turn it on, to me, it sounds like a really high-powered toothbrush, but it works really well and it runs off of batteries, so you can just replace them really easily. But this is definitely a good cleaning tool to have. So I was on the hunt for a set of earrings on Amazon. Now I love wearing gold and I love wearing hoops, but I was wanting some unique ones that weren't too big. I found this set of 6 and I have to tell you, I love it. There's so many cool varieties in here and it's really affordable, around $16, $17. So if you're wanting to change out your earrings, this is a good set to pick up. I bought this nail brush and I really wasn't sure how much I would use it, but I use it all the time. I just keep it next to my sink, and if you wear acrylic nails like I do, it is great for cleaning out under your nails, especially crafters like us who are always getting paint and different things in your nails. You can just easily run your nails underneath, and then it's got a brush on the underside as well. Now to make your nails stay on, you need a really good nail glue, and I have found one that just works great. I don't even try anything else because this one works so good. It is a set of nail glue that comes in a pack of 4, so really you're gonna have enough nail glue to last you so long. But what makes this nail glue just last so well is it has a nail polish applicator to it. So what you do is you put the glue on your nail bed as well as the fake nail, and then you press it on for about 5 seconds. It'll hold in place. I get questions questions wondering how long do my nails last, typically they last about a week and a half to 2 weeks, depending on the nail. But if one falls off, you can just glue it back on. Speaking of acrylic nails, I have tried so many different styles on Amazon, but I honestly have 2 sets that are my tried and trues that I keep wearing over and over again. The first one is my glitter nails. These are just really cute. They have kind of like that French manicure style, and then they have glitter on them. It's easier for me to do day-to-day life with them being shorter, but you can keep them longer if you want. Now the ones I'm wearing right now, and probably the ones I wear maybe about 60 to 70% of the time, are the Kiss acrylic nails. These are their short version. They are so easy to put on. Of all the nails I wear, I feel like these stay on the longest. Absolutely love them. This next product is definitely for all of my crafting friends. It's my spray paint turnstile. Now I have a couple of these and I use them frequently. They're especially great this time of year because when you spray paint something, typically we spray paint it outside, and if it's not over 55 degrees, you can't leave it out there to dry. So what I like to do is anytime I'm spray painting something, I'll put it on this turnstile, spray paint it. You can move it so you don't have to like get up and move around. You can just move it like this to continue spray painting. The even better feature is if you need to take this indoors to dry, you can just hold on to it like this, keeping your hands from getting dirty, and move it inside. This is such a game changer and one that I use all the time with my DIYs. One of my best buys are these microfiber hair towels. Now these come in a pack of 2. They come in a ton of different colors. You may be wondering, why do I need a microfiber hair towel? Well, I have quite a bit of hair, and when I get out of the shower, I don't want to put a big bath towel on the top of my hair. Sometimes that can lead to breakage on your hair. These are so much smaller, so much more lightweight. It's great to have this lightweight towel on your hair. Also, because it's microfiber, it absorbs more moisture. So it's going to cut down on your drying time because you're using the microfiber towel. It also has a really nice button and loop closure. It's constructed really well, and mine have held up. They've been through the wash several times, so this is a great option for a towel for your hair. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you check out the description box if you're looking for any particular product. And if you didn't see something, you can go to that shop on my Amazon to find all of the products that I ever recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in our next one. Bye.